fresh start, ready to go. This one's a really easy one, so for those beginners out there, I think you'll enjoy this one, okay? So let's get started. You're gonna start with your right foot and you're gonna do toe, heel. So your right foot's gonna come out and it's gonna be toe, heel. And the left foot is gonna do toe, heel. So you do it. Can you guys hear my cat? Oh, she's trying, but she's okay. She likes to talk. So once again, you're gonna use your right foot and you do toe, heel, and then the left foot goes toe, heel, and then you're gonna rock your right foot forward, rock it forward, step that left foot back, and you're gonna bring your right foot back, put your weight on the right, and then step on the left. So once again, you rock it, right foot goes forward, back, and then back, forward. So you start with the right, step it on the left, and then you bring that right foot back, step on the left again. So again, starting from the top, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right toe, heel, left toe, heel. We rock the right foot forward, back, back, forward. And then again, we do the toe, heel again. Right toe, heel, left toe, heel. Rock our right foot forward, step the left foot back, right foot goes back, step the left foot forward. And that's it. So that's it for that first part. And remember, so you're just transferring the weight when you rock it forward and back. So right from there, we're gonna do step, touch, going to our right. So you're gonna do step, touch, and then you're gonna do step, together, step, and. So it's gonna be, again, so it's step, touch, and then it's right, left, right, and. And that and is when the left foot comes in. And then you're gonna go to your left, and you're gonna do left, touch, and then step, together, step, and. So this is quick. So it's left, right, left, and. And that and is when you bring the right foot in. So let's go from when we just did. We just finished our last rocking forward, and then back, and then here we go. So we do right, touch, step, together, step, and left, touch, step, together, step, and. Very good. Now from there, we are going to do a box step, but we're gonna do a little different. We're gonna make a box step, making a quarter turn to our right. So I do have, I believe I've said this before, but I do have a line dance move explaining this box step really well. So if you want to see a more thorough, in-depth way of learning it, just click the little eye up there. It'll lead you to one of my line dance moves, which explains the box step. So that might help a lot, because with the instructions, I'm not going to explain it as in depth, because I don't have as much time and I want to get through the whole dance with you guys. So please check that out if you're a little confused. So we're gonna cross our right foot over our left. Now, because we're making a quarter turn to our right, we're gonna have to move to the right. So once again, we cross our right foot over our left. We're gonna step our left foot back, but it's gonna go over here. So left foot's gonna come back, okay? And then you're gonna bring your right foot out, and then you're gonna step your left foot in. So that's the first box step. And the next one, we're gonna make another quarter turn to our right. And so we're gonna cross our right foot over our left again. Now we're gonna bring our left foot to this back wall. Left foot comes back. And then we're gonna step our right foot out, and then the left foot comes in. So it's just 2 box steps, okay? So once again, I'll show you from the first box step. Ready? So we're gonna cross our right foot over our left. We're gonna step that left foot back, and then we're gonna bring our right foot out to the side, and then we're gonna step that left foot in with the right. And then we're gonna do another box step, making a quarter turn to our right. So cross our right foot over our left, step that left foot the back wall, and now the right foot comes out, and then you're gonna step that left foot in. And then that is it, guys. That's the line dance. It's only 2 walls, so I'm gonna show it one more time a little bit faster, but I think you're ready, okay? So, and 5, 6, what do we start with? We start with our right foot, making a toe heel. So, 5, 6, 7, 8. Toe heel with the right, toe heel with the left. Now we rock forward on the right, back, back, forward, and again, right toe, heel, left toe, heel, rock forward, rock back. Now step touch with the right, right, touch, step together, step, and left, touch, step together, step, and box step, crossing that right foot over, left foot comes back, bringing your right foot out to the side, and left foot comes in, and then again, cross the right foot over, bring the left foot back, bring the right foot out to the side, and left foot comes in, and then you would do it again, right, touch, and then rock forward, back, and then that's it, guys. Once again, it's a little bit shorter than all my other line dances, so I hope you really enjoyed it. A little bit easier, so for those beginners that are just starting out, this is perfect for you. I'm going to show you what it would be like with the music, but without the music playing, so it's going to be one wall, just so you can get a bit of an understanding of the speed and stuff like that. So here we go. Okay, ready? 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Please stay tuned for next week. I'm going to have the full dance with music so you can see it and dance it with me. So I hope you really enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time. Bye!